every cast could be a personal best. And that's what I like about fishing. Lots of wind on the lake this morning. Welcome back to the channel, one and all. She's capping. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? There's whitecaps. I'm having to motivate myself a little bit this morning to get out here because there's a bit of wind and frankly, it's a little bit uncomfortable. It's about 50 degrees, the wind's whipping, and I got a spot down at the other end of the lake that should be out of the wind. It was a little bit slow yesterday. Hard to get motivated, but I tell you what, you motivate me. I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna do this thing for you. You know what? Let's go fishing. There's a bite. Oh, missed one, darn it. Is there any redemption? Come on, redemption. Gosh, I thought he was on. I really thought he was on. Darn it. We gotta get on some fish here. Come on, fish now. Let's get it. May need to put on my lucky hat. Yeah, maybe so. Lucky hat time. Lucky hat time. All right, let's get to it. Got one. There we go. That's the fish I've been waiting for. I'm ripping some drag. There we go. What do we got here? Feels like a sunny. Oh, it is. Nice big sunny. Let's get it netted and get it up here. Pretty fish. Whew, came off in the net. That's why we use it, right, boys and girls? What a pretty fish. Wow. Just a, whew, he's protecting a bed. Look at how pretty that fish is. Let's see him in the sunlight. Wow. Nice fish. Good fight. He was ripping drag. Nice thick fish. Yeah. Huh? That's a pretty fish. He's peeing on my boat. I don't even mind it. Got a little black spot right up there. All right, let's go back, buddy. Go do your job. See you later. The lucky hat worked, huh? Lucky hat. One of the questions I get about the rocket bobber that I want to address is how to use it without it slipping down the line. And this is a bit tricky because it's a little different than other bobbers sometimes. So the rocket bobber actually has not only the hook remover that I've showed you before on the top, but at the bottom it has two different spots. I'm not sure if you can see those two different spots there that this can hook into. So you can do this and spin it around and it becomes a slip bobber. So it'll slip up and down the line and you can tie a little stopper on your line and it'll slip, and that way you can fish deeper water and get down to the fish, okay? But the way that I like to fish it, and I do fish it that way sometimes, the way I like to fish it is as a regular pinch bobber. I don't know what they call it, but it pinches the line. The problem is that when you put this on here just like this and it pinches the line, it has a tendency to slip up and down the line. I don't know if it's because it's made to be both or what the deal is, but it actually does. So what I do is I will take it, get to the end of my pole kind of and get some nice tension on the line, and I'll wrap it around there a couple times, few times, and then pinch it down. Makes it a little tougher to slide, but it doesn't slide up and down on your line and affect your ability to fish at the right level for the fish. Love the rocket bobber. I will find these fish. You will not be as elusive as you wished that you were. Remember how I told you, the chartreuse on the top, the white on the bottom. Make sure your knot is in the correct position so it hangs as horizontally as possible. Yeah, see, that one's not hanging that horizontal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop back through it, come back out the other side just a little bit farther. I know that's gonna give it a little bit of a weird bend, but look how it makes it kind of look a little bit more horizontal. I'm gonna throw that in. See what happens here. Is this a fish? I don't think so. I think I got weeds. Yeah. I found the salad. I found the salad. Here comes the salad for us. I found the salad. I found the salad. Munch it and munch it up. Here's what you should do when you get the salad. You take the salad and you go like this. Just kidding. Don't do that. Last cast in this spot, and then I'm moving a little bit. Okay, there we go. Oh, nice. Oh, you son of a bee. Oh, that was a nice fish. Oh, that one busted me off. Wow. I don't know how it busted me off. I have a 5-pound test. It didn't feel like a 5-pound fish. Got one. There we go. Oh, you son of a gun. Got off. Oh, man. I did not overset that hook. What is going on? So, sometimes you'll pull your jig in after you've had a bite, and you will have it look like this. That's what everybody calls the skirt getting dropped, and this is your presentation is wrong. Obviously nothing's really going to bite that, or not much. So you want to get your presentation right, get your knot back to the correct side, and just make sure, and don't be cheap with the gulp bait. I'm not selling them, I'm just saying that's what works. So I'm trying to hook back into the back of this one to make it work, because I do want to try and make it work for as long as I can and just get it hanging more sideways. Let's get back out there. Let's get fishy bite, fishy bite. Let's get fishy bite. Come on and make the fishy bite, fishy bite. Let's get fishy bite, fishy bite. Come on and make the fishy bite. Got one. There we go. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, there we go. He's pulling good. Feels like a sunny. A bluegill. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Let's get the net. Oh yeah, what a nice fish. All right, pretty fish, big chunker. And again, the hook came out in the net, so thank goodness for the net. Wow, what a beautiful pig of a sunfish. Peeing, of course. All of them right now are peeing on my boat. Wow, what a nice fish. Oh, so thick. Wow, just beautiful. Holy cow, that is nice. Very nice, Sonny. Very nice. Good day out. A little bit slow, but I got a couple big fish to show you. Maybe make this a little bit of a quicker video. Just wanted to let you know that perseverance is the key, and you can get some big fish. And let me tell you, a big bluegill like this, not like your regular bluegill on the dock. This fish is tough. This fish can pull and pull and pull an ultralight reel. So this is a fun day, even with just a couple big fish and some smaller fish. So just wanted to let you know, I appreciate all the subs, the great comments, keep them coming. Make sure you like the video, and FishBrain Shane out. Leo needs a toy on the boat. Let's put him back.